We're cooking for a big event today, along with a professional caterer. Please join us for fun and some learning. You're watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Hello, warm greetings. We are on a mission today. In fact, it's a celebration, so we're joining the celebration as the cook. Seriously, I've been doing this, not just for videos, but I really cook for occasions. That's why today, it's our cameraman's birthday. Happy birthday, Dan. And we are asked to prepare. In fact, I volunteered myself to cook restaurant niveau chap choy or chap soy, stir-fried vegetables. But there is a what's the learning today? Or we are cooking this while preserving the colors of the vegetables bright. So what should we do first? I'll just present to you the ingredients. It's a stir-fried vegetable, so all the soft vegetables that you can imagine. This right here. Beans, green beans. The sugar snaps. What are these? What are these?
Cabbage.
Cabbage and
Broccoli and
yeah.
cauliflower.
Chayote. Chayotes are from my garden. And this, the basic sofritos, the carrots, onions, garlic, and look, this are sliced cucumber. We'll be using cucumber instead of water for more enhanced flavor. What I was saying is that we will be cooking this while preserving the color and texture and flavor of the vegetables without overcooking it. So what do the Chinese and the restaurant chefs do? They boil it first, or they do half cook, as our host here said, or you didn't hear it. But we'll be cooking them half cooked first, or blanching. Let me just say that blanching preserves the texture, the color, and the flavor of the vegetables. That's what we do. In fact, even for frozen vegetables, that's what they do first, blanch. For our case, we're blanching or half cooking before stir frying. Let's just wait until this boils and we'll just blanch our vegetables. It's now briskly boiling. It's time to blanch the vegetables. The not so tender vegetables. The beans. What else? These ones. Look, immediately, once they get in contact with the boiling water, they change in color. Did you notice that, Dan?
Yes.
Yeah. They turn brighter green.
Fantastic.
Yes, from Versace green to Girl Scout green.
Versace.
I need a ladle. Here. Oh no.
What?
Ladle. Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is what I was saying. Look how the color has changed. Lovely. Look at that.
Wow, perfect.
Give it around 2 minutes. We'll start the stir fry. Look, I'm using a red onion and white onion because this is sweeter, this is milder. Good combination. At this point, some would add salt to accelerate caramelization. That's your option. I won't do it because I'm doing something else. Okay. Question: when would you stop, or when you start adding the garlic? I will caramelize onion taste sweeter. You can add it now, but that's better. Wait! I just realized this is chop soy, so we can afford to have it raw. So we can add it now. Okay. This will surprise many of our viewers because it's a discipline when you want a more intensified flavor. Add the flavorings in the stir fry. Get it infused in the oil and not in the sauce. At this point, do you do this, Dan?
Yes.
See?
To
Guaranteed.
introduce character and flavor.
Yeah! Character. Imagine character. Okay. Then,
Nakaserving konti. Oo, na-air ko. Muna ang hindi ko gusto.
I like this. We didn't catch it because my cameraman was busy frying at the other side, but I added fish sauce and then the carrots. It's better to add the carrots at this point. And the chayote, which I harvested. My lord, I even forgot to slice it too.
Just leave it.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, this is a big gathering and we have official caterers. Look, tell us about your catering services. Look at that.
Wow! Yeah, the keeper.
And at this point, I can add the blanched vegetables now. Woo. Would this be? Yeah, that's just there. I think this will fit. Yeah. Happy. Yes. Look, we were afraid that the wok wasn't enough, but look,
Oh,
it's just right.
wow. But
It's a
you
bit-
still
it's-
have a lot.
Yeah, it's a bit difficult to mix, but we can manage.
Okay, good.
Yes, thank you. Oyster sauce.
Yeah.
I didn't tell you the rest or the intermediate processes or steps. It can be boring. Just stir fry. And we'll add the finishing touch. Dun. Yeah. If you're wondering about the extra background noise, there's a construction next door. Yeah. I think this completes our preparation for today's event. It's Dan's birthday, along with the professionally catered food here. This, I hope, becomes the crowning glory because it's colorful.
Yeah.
Wow, what a nice birthday gift. Thank you for the cooking.
It's an honor.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a food made in heaven.
And another offering from Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Thank you for joining us today here in Veldhoven for Dan's birthday. See you next time as we bring you more growing, cooking, and sharing.